At 𝐂𝐮𝐭 Napanee, premium cabinetry is more than just our product. It's our purpose. It's not just about building furniture. It's about building something that lasts. Something that becomes part of your story, your life, your home. It starts with a selection of the finest materials, chosen with great care and consideration. From the moment the wood is cut, it begins to take shape, not just as a cabinet, but as part of your home. Each frame is carefully assembled, each corner, each edge, all precisely joined together to create cabinetry that will stand the test of time. It's more than craftsmanship. It's about the commitment to making something that matters. As the cabinet takes form, it's meticulously sanded, inspected, and finished. So it's not just beautiful. It's built to last, to grow with you, to become part of your life. And as the final details are added, we know that this cabinet will become more than just the wood it was assembled from. It will become part of your home, where lifelong memories are made, moments are shared, and life happens. For 150 years, 𝐂𝐭 Napanee has had the privilege to create premium cabinetry for a greater purpose. 𝐂𝐭 Napanee Cabinet Company. Distinctly 𝐂𝐭's. Exclusively yours.